Okay, so let's get into this. We're doing a deep dive today into something pretty specific. The Datavideo TG-200 Video Production Teacher's Guide.
Right. And the first thing you have to notice is the price. It's listed at $1,299.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. So that immediately tells you this isn't, for a hobbyist. This is a serious institutional investment. We're talking school districts, vocational programs.
So it's more than just a textbook then, it's a whole curriculum.
It's a whole system, a comprehensive integrated system, not something you just pick up and add to your shelf.
That makes sense. So what are the actual skills they're teaching? I'm guessing it's not just theory.
Oh, not at all. It's intensely practical. It's all about applied real-world skills. Things like actually operating the cameras, the audio gear.
The hands-on stuff.
Exactly. But also new script writing, the basics of streaming, and this is the core of it, producing live video. Specifically things like a morning announcement news show.
Live productions, that's a lot of pressure for students.
It is. And the guide even calls out one skill specifically. It says, conducting an interview is one of the most important things they'll learn.
Interesting. So it's not just the tech, it's the communication skills that go with it.
That's the idea. It's about combining that high-value communication with the technical side.
Okay, but with a system this integrated, you mentioned it comes with an online course and an activity book. Is there a risk it's too rigid, like it's just training them on one specific set of tools?
That's a great question, and I think that's sort of the point. It's built for consistency. So a district can roll this out and know every student is getting the same training.
Ah, so it's a feature, not a bug.
Pretty much. You have the three parts working together. The guide is the blueprint, the what and why.
Okay.
Then there's the online course on Datavideo Academy. That's the how. Step-by-step videos on using the actual equipment.
And the third piece? The activity book.
That's where they have to apply it all. It forces them into hands-on group projects. The morning announcement show is the classic example they use.
Got it. So how do they make sure all this intense vocational training actually meets educational standards?
Right, because it has to count for something. That's where the ISD alignment is so crucial.
The ISD student standards?
Yes. Every single chapter in the guide and every activity in the book is explicitly tied to at least one of those standards. It gives it that pedagogical backbone.
So it's not just job training, it's framed within a recognized digital literacy framework.
Exactly.
And this guide, the TG-200, it feels like it's part of a bigger family of products.
It is. You see references to the TG-300, a 4K version called the TG-400.
Yeah.
It's a whole ecosystem. They also mention specific professional hardware.
Like what?
Things like the KMU-200, which is a 4K multi-camera switcher. Yeah. And a specific monitor, the TLM-170V. These aren't just random product placements.
No.
No, they're the kind of tools you would need to pull off the very thing the curriculum demands. A live multi-source broadcast. It all connects.
So, to sum it all up, the TG-200 is this highly structured, standards-based system that pushes students straight into producing live content. It kind of skips the abstract theory and goes right for the real-world pressure.
It teaches them deadlines and teamwork right alongside camera angles and scripting. It's a trial by fire, in a way.
Which brings up a really interesting final thought for you to consider. Since the whole curriculum centers on producing live shows, like those morning announcements, think about this. How does the pressure of live production, the high stakes, no do-overs, fundamentally change how students learn these media skills compared to, say, a project they can pre-record and edit endlessly, something to chew on?